Welcome to the Juke app. Let's start on the home screen. Here, you'll see all of your enabled zones. Tap on one, and you can adjust its Juke volume, fine-tune the EQ if it's connected to a Juke Plus, as well as view both active and inactive inputs. If you have multiple active inputs on a zone, tapping on one will have it override the other in output. You can also use the speaker icon in the top right corner to quickly adjust volumes across each zone. Now, let's head over to the group screen. This is where you'll find any group inputs you've enabled. Group inputs allow you to send audio to multiple zones at once, whether through Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, DLNA, or physical inputs like RCA, optical, and USB. In this system, Bluetooth, Spotify Connect, RCA, and one USB input are currently enabled. Tapping on a group input shows a list of all your zones to toggle on or off, as well as the speaker icon in the top right corner to provide quick access to the Juke zone volume levels. Now, let's head to the settings screen. The default password is admin with a capital A. If you've changed and forgotten your password, you can reset it here and follow the on-screen instructions to restore the default password. Once logged in, you can manage zone settings from the top left corner. Editing a zone allows you to give it a unique name and icon, as well as choose whether to show the zone to users in AirPlay, Spotify Connect, and the Juke app, which is useful for hiding any zones not yet wired to speakers. You can also enable mono output for zones with a single speaker or areas like hallways where stereo separation isn't ideal. If you go back to the main settings screen, tap on Group Input Device Input Settings. Here, you have up to 4 group inputs available per Juke on a system. To create a new group, tap Edit, give it a unique name, one different from your zones, select the desired input type, toggle Enable to Yes, and hit Save. Now, the group will appear in the group screen. Remember, group inputs are required to send audio to multiple zones with Spotify Connect, as well as for using Bluetooth, DLNA, or any devices connected to Juke's physical inputs. Please see our other tutorials for setting up the built-in streamer and covering the Juke app's diagnostics and information.